Hey guys, today we will talk about permission. Sometimes it happens that we request somebody to perform an action so that he or she can allow us to do that action. Here someone is requesting मुझे जाने दो. Here he wants someone allow him to go. For such situation, please use a word let.
Welcome to RPN and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि कोई इंसान आपको या फिर किसी और को एक्शन करने दे, जैसे मुझे जाने दो, उसको खेलने दो, तनु को बोलने दो, उनको इस काम में पहल करने दो. प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर लेट somebody action. Yes, let somebody action. Let's speak these Hindi lines in English with the help of given structure. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. उसको खेलने दो. Let him play. तनु को बोलने दो. Let तनु speak. उनको इस काम में पहल करने दो. Here is an action, पहल करना. It means initiate. Please speak here. Let them initiate this task. Let's practice here. Here are some structures. Here is an action, tell. Please do practice like let me tell, let him tell, let her tell, let us tell, let them tell, let Chetan tell, let brother tell, let peon tell. Here are some more actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did. अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि कोई इंसान आपको या फिर किसी और को एक्शन नहीं करने दे, जैसे उसको यहाँ मत आने दो, छोटे बच्चों को मोबाइल मत लेने दो, उनको यहाँ मत बैठने दो, उसे भविष्य बर्बाद मत करने दो. प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर. डोंट लेट somebody action. Yes, don't let somebody action. Let's speak this Hindi lines in English. उसको यहाँ मत आने दो. Don't let him come here. छोटे बच्चों को मोबाइल मत लेने दो. Don't let kids take mobile. उनको यहाँ मत बैठने दो. Don't let them sit here. उसे भविष्य बर्बाद मत करने दो. Here is an action, बर्बाद करना. It means ruin. Please speak here. Don't let him ruin future. Guys, here is one more action, आबाद करना. It means populate. Let's practice here. Here are some structures. Here are some actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did last time. Let's go to next section for daily use sentences. Here is first. जैसे ही आपको समय मिले बताना. Please let me know once you are free. Here is next. जैसे ही ये पूरा होता है मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी. I will let you know once it is done. Here is one more. मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारे मन की नहीं करने दूंगा. I will not let you do what you want. Let's go to the next section, word for a person. Here is a person, ज़िद्दी या अड़ियल. This person is stubborn. A stubborn person is determined to do what he or she wants and refuses to do anything else. For such person, we can say, don't be stubborn. Let's go to the next section, idioms and proverbs. Proverb for the day is Jio or Jeene do. It means live and let live. Yes, live and let live. A person should live as he or she chooses and let other people do the same. Once I was doing important work. My kids were bothering me again and again. I said to them, live and let live. Finally, they let me do work properly.
It's time to practice. Please pause the video.
Thank you guys. Have a nice time.